Hey guys, so I have the Ipsy Glam bag for the month of December. This is a PR one. I do get the Ipsy Glam bag, plus that I am subscribed to myself, so you watch out for that on my channel. Definitely subscribe if you're new to my channel. I do a lot of unboxings on here, and you can also follow me on my social media down below. So let's go ahead and jump into the bag, and this is what it looks like. It looks like a little wool bag, which is so cute. I just thought it looked, I don't know, it reminds me of Zootopia when the little wool, like they're touching her little head. Anyway, so first thing in here is the Murad Essential C Cleanser. I absolutely love Murad skincare. Their skincare is amazing, and I feel like this is a great deluxe size. This will last you a good bit. Next thing in here is the Professional Primer. It's an itty bitty little baby one, so it's super tiny, but this bag is $12 a month, so at least you got the Murad, and that is worth your money. This is kind of like a little trial size. I wish it was a tiny bit bigger, but I guess, you know. And some of these things I will be putting into giveaways. If you guys want to follow me, I do most of them on my Instagram. So the next thing in here is the Pure Release Blue Lotus Eye Serum, and it's a little mini deluxe size as well. So it's two deluxe sizes, like two little mini sizes, and then this one has been like a deluxe one. Next thing in here is the powder brush, and this is by Gushi. It looks like a beautiful green brush. I have been decluttering some of my brushes, so I keep some that I get in PR and some I give away. So this I will definitely put into a giveaway, so I'm not going to touch it or anything or take it out, but it looks like a good blush brush. And then the last thing in here is the Superhero It Cosmetics mascara, and it is a mini size as well. So overall for $12, I feel like the two good things in here are the Murad and the brush. The other stuff is like little mini stuff to try on, and then of course you get the little baggie. I do feel like recently they've been doing like cuter bags compared to like back in the day. Most of the bags back in the day looked so similar, and now they're really like going out of their way to make different kind of bags, so I really enjoy that. So yeah, that was basically it. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. Are you excited for your little baggie this month? What did you customize, if anything? I'd love to hear from you down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. I'd love to have you stick around, and also follow me on my social media if you want to get to know me, or if you just love wearable makeup looks. I do them all the time in little reels and videos over there, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.